Hey guys, what's going on? TJ here. Welcome back to the channel. So with this pandemic stuff going on, I kind of just want to give you guys an update. I mean, we all know that I got window tints and paint protection film. I do have window tint film here as like a sunscreen. We have the front, which I'll tell you guys about, but I also get questions on my Spoiler King spoiler extension. Spoiler King, of course, is the manufacturer of the spoiler, the lip spoiler here, and it goes on with 3M double-sided tape. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, I will post a link to it down below in the description so you guys can check it out. But it's holding on very strong. It's, as you can see, it's moving the actual spoiler itself. Looks great, and from the back looks pretty mean. So we have the back here. I debadged it. It just said Fusion over here. I got rid of that, and it says Eco Beast here. And for those of you that know, on my Focus ST, I did have Eco Beast on the front lip of the car, and the ST was in red, just like the Focus ST emblem, and kept the sport. Let's see what else we got. What we got here is the Laminex film covers for the fog lights, and they do have a yellow output. Obviously, as you guys can see, it's a yellow film, and the light output is just a little bit less than factory. It goes on smooth. You can take it off. It's just vinyl film, and what kind of sucks is that you can't really change the bulb. It's not really a bulb. It's just a little LED chip on a board. And so that's pretty much it, you guys, for the aesthetics. We all know I got tints and paint protection film on the front there. The wheels are, they're all cleaned up. I did wash the car almost a week ago, and still I haven't really driven it because, you know, I've been inside working. Let's check the interior out. I don't really have anything else done to it majorly. We do have Husky floor mats, and these are a lot better than the WeatherTech, like a lot better. And in the doors, all the doors, I have this little mat, and I just got it off eBay, a little protective mat, pretty flimsy, but goes in the door pocket. And let's see what else we got in here. Do have my SCT BDX device, and this is Dave's Stiffy AP3 mount, or access port mount. Me and my buddy Patrick, we were one of the first ones to get this for the Fusion Sport, and it, as you can see, it fits very flush, very nicely, and it's just magnetic. So we'll just snap that on there. And he's got a lot more on his webpage for Facebook, where he actually has some acrylic ones that he kind of has them custom made, and they light up and stuff like that. So that's very cool. And I don't really have anything else for stock, or I don't have anything else in the interior. Look at that, can you see that? The windshield right there, that's pretty gross. But so let's go check out the engine bay. Steeda front strut tower brace here, and this has actually improved handling and body roll quite a bit, enough for me to notice it, but not too much. You undo these two bolts, you pull them off, you put this one on, and you just screw them back in. That's pretty much it. You don't really need to torque them that much, just a good hand tight snugness to them. We have some Boomba Racing covers for like the washer fluid, or the coolant reservoir, and the brake fluid reservoir. And in here I just have an AFE high flow filter. That seems to be doing the job just fine. So I am tuned. I am on E30 right now through Unleashed, and I don't really plan on changing this up a bit. It's just a factory intake box, and they seem to be doing fine just now. I don't know if I'll ever get a cold air intake, to be honest with you. Maybe just for more sound, but I can always put a blow-off valve on there, which I believe just goes right here, just for that noise. And that's pretty much it for the engine. I mean, there's not really much else to it. So I did mention that I am tuned through Unleashed Tuning, and I'm currently on the E32, and I think I'm on like the one or second revision for the tune, and it's going good so far. Just haven't really had time due to moving and the pandemic over here and stuff like that, just to kind of refine it. but I will be making videos in the future of how to do data logs, how to upload them, how to take a look at the data logs and try to understand of what's going on with the tune and what the car is doing, as well as kind of counting your 0 to 60 time for an approximation of what your 0 to 60 is. And we're gonna go through all that stuff together, guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit it now, or just keep a reminder to check every once in a while. I don't really want to upload every day because that would just run out of videos really quickly. So I try to space them out every, like every other week or something like that. But with the pandemic going on and everybody working from home, I figured I would just kind of release more and more as time goes, just to kind of give you guys something to watch. I'm not really a big YouTuber, so I can't really do like a Q&A, although that would be pretty nice to do. But if it's any questions or whatever, drop it down in the comments and I'll bring it up in the next video. But yeah, I mean, the car overall is fantastic. I got plenty of videos coming out in the future for the car and for you guys to watch during the pandemic while everybody's working at home. Thank you to the medical field for continuing the work at this time and work on the COVID-19 issue at hand, and hope everybody is staying safe with this. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate it as always. And if you have any questions for me about any of the products or anything like that, please drop it down below, and check out the links down below in the video description as well. Hit up Dave Stiffy for a mount for AP3 or Unleashed tuning and stuff like that for the SCT mount or the device. And thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And like I said, there's gonna be plenty more videos coming out for the car and how to do certain things, so be on the lookout for that. And I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. Take care. Have a great day.